In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the password page in Shopify. First of all, head over to your Shopify homepage. Once you're here, click on Online Store from the left-hand side of your screen. After that, scroll down to find your current theme, and in front of it, click on the Customise button. This will open the theme editor for your online store. At the top of this new screen, click on the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find Password Page. Once you click on the password page, you'll be able to preview how it currently looks. You can now begin customizing it to your preference. You'll notice options such as changing the background image. Just click and upload a new one. You can also adjust the overlay opacity, image height, and the position of your text. Additionally, you can change the content's color scheme to better match your brand. If you want to edit the content within the text box on this page, that's possible too. Note that you're limited to 3 content blocks in this specific section, which are already added by default. For example, let's say you want to update the text to offer early access. Simply edit the text, select it, and click the link icon. This will allow you to insert a URL that users can click to get the password for your page. Just type a valid link into the field, click Insert, and then hit Save at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Now, if you head back to your password page and refresh it, you'll see that the new link has been added. Clicking on it will redirect visitors to the specified URL. This way, your password page not only looks better, but can also serve as a gateway to early access or special offers. And that's how you can edit the password page in Shopify.